Hello and welcome to Gulgotia University Learning Platform. I am Mehak Pandit, Assistant Professor with Department of Mass Communication, and I'm also the course coordinator for the course Event Management. In the previous video lectures, we learned in detail about the role of personas involved in the event management, and I was getting requests for the video on career opportunities in the event management by my course students. So here I am with the video lecture on skills required, which I think, because when you talk about career, it's very important to talk about the skills also, because of course in academics we are helping the students, the learners, to bridge the gap between the academics and the industry, right? So we're going to talk about the skills and career opportunities required in the event management. So to begin with, in general, like we do, I'm going to brief you again, just a revision of what is event management. So basically, the event management refers to the implementation of the project management principles in developing large scale events such as concerts, conferences, weddings, formal parties, whatsoever kind of event you want to manage, or it's a profitable event or it's a non-profitable events. And specifically, today we'll discuss about the skills and careers. So let us begin now. So now let us learn that how this event management career eventually helps the learners or the aspirants who are interested into the field of event management. I think first thing first that is very important is that this field help us add variety to what we eventually the scope of journalism and mass communication, because event management profession is full of variety. One day you might be planning a beach themed wedding, and another day you are eventually organizing a professional conference. So one of the best things of I think this profession is that you get to do a lot of different things, so you're never bored of things, and you never are you never end up having a narrow scope. You eventually have a very wide scope of work that client is expecting from you, or the potential your particular profession has. So it's very wide. So that's the first thing, that of course it helps add variety. The next thing I think is the freelancing opportunity or work from home opportunity. Of course, pandemic has changed a lot of things. Of course, a lot of professions, like of course it was not expected in academics that classes might happen, and teachers might go to work from home, because this is something which has always been done face to face. But of course, pandemic has changed a lot of things. But since the advent of event, freelancing work is one of the thing that has existed, because of course being an event manager or event management professionals, you eventually have the flexibility to go freelance, start your own business, or join an agency. And each of those the parallel prospects that you could see eventually presents you with very exciting opportunity that can give you chance to enhance your career skills. So it can take place, and this line is extremely versatile, right? So whenever you can practice it at any point of career you decide to get into event management. So this is one thing. Then the third thing is of course it keeps you moving. That is, it provides us with traveling opportunities. So for all the enthusiasts who are into traveling and still want to work and maybe enjoy because there are two kind of people like me who want to stay at one place, have a fixed life, and come to office and go back home. But there are people who are very excited to travel. So of course it gives a lot of traveling opportunities, and you can just pack your bags and set your journey. And so event management is kind of that kind of event that gives you that space. Then the next thing is that personal skill development, of course, because in event management there are certain things other than that is mentioned in the books. It's like if you are an event manager, you are expected to be a communication manager also, you're expected to be a marketing manager also. And it's not that if you are somebody who is just dealing with the coordination of staff, you are also required to know the requirement of the, I would say, maybe the catering department or the requirement of the production department. So whatsoever it is, it eventually helps you build your personal skills. So yeah, this is one of the thing I think that eventually this event management prospect helps in enhancing. So ultimately this gives you a platform to improve your personal skills as well as communication skills also. So it's like win-win situation according to me. So that's another thing that this event management particularly helps. Now, the most important and the most interesting part, according to me, is the skills that we require in the event management. Now, there are a lot of things, of course, that is required in the field of journalism and mass communication. Along with what all we read is, knowing how to communicate, then knowing how to write, and then having nose for news. Those are additional things that journalism profession required. But particularly talking about event management, then there is another set of skills that is expected to be in a person, or eventually is expected for a person to build this particular skill in themselves, like having the creativity or potential to generate idea, then observation skills, then networking skills, and then organizational skills, and then adaptability is one of the thing which is quite important. So let us discuss each and every skill in detail now. So talking about first thing, I would say networking skill is quite important in the event management, and it is a type of skill in which basically event management is a people driven industry, right? And largely relies on professional relationships. So hence it is very 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 essential for professionals in this industry to build a very strong network with a diverse set of event planning professionals. In fact, your professional network can eventually help you start networking eventually by attending industry events and conferences. Of course, you can also try your hands at virtual networking opportunities that we have, which have ultimately increased during the pandemic. So to connect with the event management professionals across the globe, right? So of course, this gives you to build networks across the globe. That is another important thing, depending upon how like capable you are in terms of networking skills. Then the next skill we're going to talk about is the organizational skills. I'm talking in the order of relevance, right? So organization skills, it's like people who choose their career option must have the impeccable organizational skills, as they have to keep in control of the number of tasks, because of course when event is approaching, there are n number of tasks that is happening in those 24 hours. So of course sometimes it gets very stressful also, but yeah, if you have that skill, you are ultimately able to manage, because of course you get to enjoy also, you get to travel also, and you get to build network also. So those are additional things, right? So starting with client meeting to budgets, event managers have their own toes dipped in the era of all of the things. Hence, organization skills top the list of skills that is required in the event management career. So that's one thing. Then I think creativity is another very important thing. Creativity is the key, and people who work in this field must have cutting edge ideas of how to generate an idea and impress their clients. And so they organize maybe a unique event with some USP that would flatter the audience, target audience, and the client as well. So brainstorming is essential, very very essential when it comes to creative career opportunities. And hence you should coordinate with other members of your team to come up with the best designs, themes, and decor. And you should be up to date with current trends, and and modify your plans according to the situation or the demands of the client. So of course creativity is also, idea generation is also another skill. Then comes something which I think becomes very personal, because it affects your personal growth and professional growth ultimately. That is adaptability, because of course you'll be visiting places, you will be organizing different themes of events. And event management is a constantly changing world, which is dynamic in nature and which require you to change as well. So it is very very imperative that you can maybe change your business outlook too. And moreover, being adaptable gives you skills required to handle handle any unprecedented situation. Mark my words. If you are adaptable, you could do that. And when in a business, you must always, embrace the go with the flow kind of attitude, because it's very important. So this will give you the confidence to, overcome the challenges and whatever kind of obstacles that come into your way. Of course, then that's another thing. And then one skill I think which is common to throughout the journalism profession is the observational skills. As an event management professional, you must be excellent while it comes to observational skills and keen eye for details, of course, because those little details, while you decorate your room or you are in a situation wherein you have to impress your client, they do work, right? So this not only helps you in keeping your organizational skills in check, but also ensure that anything out of normal catches your eye in a minute, and you come across it, and it keeps you alert and helps you, deal with all of the challenges. So I think this is the list of the skills that are particularly required for the event management. So now, to begin with the career opportunities we have in event management, the first job opportunity is the event manager. Of course, I have already discussed about these particular responsibilities in a previous video lecture. That is role of personas involved in the event management. But today we're going to talk about it in the context of career opportunities. So the first job opportunity is the event manager. Now we need to understand, of course, that the event manager is responsible for every task, because he is somebody who has to be the jack of all trades and also the master. You can't say the quote that jack of all trades and master of none, because he is somebody who is responsible for everything in totality of the event, right? So basically the event manager is responsible for all of the tasks, starting from the conception to cleanup, that is from pre-event, during the event, and post-event as well, right? So their job responsibility includes tasks such as delegation with clients, planning the event with the clients, then team inputs, and taking care of booking locations, food and stuff. So everything is the responsibility of the event manager. The next opportunity, of course, it may sound a little weird to you, but yes, we do have a job opportunity called venue manager. Now, what are the roles and responsibility of venue manager is also very interesting. As the name says, the venue manager is responsible for supervising all of the operations of events, such as, staff management, overseeing all procedures, and handling problems that may arise during the course of event, right? So venue manager is responsible for that. Coming to the catering service manager, as the name says, the third job opportunity, the job role of catering manager includes responsibilities such as supervising the day-to-day catering services, then overseeing the food quality, of course, which is very important, because food is something that people always remember after your event, right? So food has to be great. So catering service manager has this responsibility of ensuring the quality, and then leading the team to chefs, and they are also responsible for ensuring that all outlets under this jurisdiction perform well. So of course the third was your catering service. Then comes the most interesting job opportunity, which is one of my favorite area, that is social media event coordinator. Of course, we know this is world of social media, and social media can add on, make your event a success, increase your footfall and whatnot, right? So we know the power of social media. So of course, to handle that, we have a designation called social media coordinator. Now the influence of social media has been drastic in the past few decades. It has spread its wing over many industries, and of course the job responsibility of the social media event coordinator includes promotion of events online, creating unique hashtags like we always talk about, and designing digital campaigns and doing live feeds for the event, and so that you cater to more attention of the events. So that is another opportunity we do have. Post social media manager, of course, if it's particularly your event management organization is specifically for wedding planning, then of course you need a wedding planner also, because of course this is one of the most popular form of event that event management teams organizes along with other conferences and everything else. Now wedding planner, what do you expect from that when a couple decides to tie the knot, and they want to ensure that their big day goes off without any cup, right? So hence the best way is to hire the industry professional who know the complete system of wedding planning inside and out, and organizing everything to what the couple has in their mind for their big day, right? So their job responsibility includes handling everything starting from wedding dresses to the sound system, helping clients make calls as per their budget and expectations, and overseeing all the nitty-gritties of the event and making their big day quite special. So of course that is what a wedding planner is expected to do. uh, Post that, we have two very similar kind of job opportunities. One is the marketing manager, and then it's a communication manager. Of course, there are, depending upon the kind of team, these two opportunities may be done by a single person also, or if it's a big team, we might have two different persons handling the marketing management and the communication. Of course, you should always remember how we speak about working in the house with a company earlier in this article, right? Whatever we have done that way. So event management graduate, of course, is expected to take up marketing or communication manager, and in a mid-size or large-size organization. And if you take up this role, you will be responsible for the event companies products and services. And however, it will be among various other responsibilities that you have. So it will always be an additional job for you. That is why I said you might have a single person handling both the departments, or if it's a big organization, then you might have two people. So hence you must be equipped with other skills apart from event management to do justice to the role of this caliber, right? The next, and I think another very important responsibility that makes happen the event in a smooth way is the staff coordinator. And of course, the major responsibility of the staff coordinator includes taking care of all the logistics concerned with the staff on site, then encouraging team in order or to enhance the productivity, and taking charge of the training and the training of the personals, and briefing them about how to do everything in the event, so accordingly to the kind of requirement we have in the event. So that's about the different career opportunities we have in the context of event management. So I would repeat again: event manager, then we have wedding planner, then we have communication manager, then we have a marketing manager, then we have social media manager, then we have communication manager, like I've already discussed, then staff coordinator, then catering service manager, right? So these are the different career opportunities that we have in the event management. So now that you have learned in the video lecture today about the career opportunities and the skills required, I could end up saying that, of course, event management is getting very, very popular, and it is becoming the profound forms of marketing and advertising, of course. And now you know that it could be this profession or this field could be accredited with various opportunities and platform that is provided to you to exploit the creative streak you have inside you. So in this slide, I've mentioned the references that I have used for this video lecture, which will of course also includes the list of suggestive readings that I mentioned in every video lecture, and I hope you are taking benefit of that. Now, I hope this video lecture was useful to you, and if you still have any query in your mind, then of course you can contact me on my mentioned email ID and mobile number. In the next video lecture, we'll be learning one new topic. Till then, take care, stay tuned.